Hello, dear future homeowner. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Join me as I show you our punch list day last November 23. So again, what is a punch list? A punch list is a document that lists any work that needs to be completed or corrected before a construction project can be finished. Punch lists are typically created during key milestones or near the end of a project. In our case, 95% complete na itong bahay ng aking client. So nung nag-check kami, we saw minor issues lang naman po like mga chips sa paint, cleaning, alignment sa cabinets, mga need isilan sa ceiling, and 2 cracks sa pin lights po. So the goal is to get to 0 items on the punch list, meaning all items have been completed and the project is officially closed out. That is why we also conduct a final inspection to check if lahat ba ng nakalista sa punch list naayos na. So happy and excited for my client na makauwi na from US at makita ang kanyang pinagpaguran at pinag-ipunang bahay. So if interested po to buy a house here in Madonna Residences, we only have few units left in phase 1. So if I were you, bumili na po kayo bago pa tayo magkaubusan ng units. Message us and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Have a nice city day.